This is a brand new 2014 Nissan Armada. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.6-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include Bluetooth cell phone integration, skid plates, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: adjustable driver pedals, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, side curtain airbags, full power accessories, a trailer hitch receiver, running boards, an anti-lock braking system, front fog lights, and the power rear liftgate can open and close at the push of a button. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.
Southlake Nissan is located at 4201 East Lincoln Highway in Merrillville. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.